Hello, everyone. Well, there is a small chance of rain during the day today, but I think most of us in southern Wisconsin are not going to see rain until tonight. Let me show you what I mean on our hour-by-hour forecast. 8 a.m. this morning, no rain for the morning commute, but some fog in spots. Not everywhere, but there is some fog around. Now, it's all going to be gone by 9 a.m., and I think the earliest we could start to see a shower or two pop up in our most western locations is 1 o'clock this afternoon. I think the vast majority of us are still going to be dry, but if you're in Viroqua, Boscoville, Platteville, I'll bring the chance in beginning around 1 o'clock for you. For places like Dodgeville and Baraboo, I don't see the chance of rain beginning until about 4 o'clock this afternoon. And I think high temperatures today are going to top out in the low 80s for most of us, but where there's going to be more cloud cover and some rain in the western part of the area, some only topping out in the upper 70s. Not going to be much wind today, only around 10 miles per hour. For Portage, Madison, Monroe, maybe Janesville, I don't see the rain chance beginning until about 7 o'clock this evening. And notice, even at 7 o'clock, it is still more likely for places like Portage and Madison of the rain chance beginning, you will still be dry. So if you live east of Madison during the day today, you are going to be staying dry. And the rain chance probably not even beginning for Madison until 6, 7 o'clock this evening. And notice that it's really still isolated activity, even the western part of the area. If you want a good chance of rain, that's going to be with a little wave of low pressure. It's going to be working over us tonight. So let's jump ahead to 10 o'clock. Notice how things are filling in a little bit more in the western part of the area. This is going to be a line of showers and storms. It's going to look like a cold front, but this isn't actually the cold front yet. It's a wave of low pressure, but it's going to kind of act like a cold front. It's certainly going to appear that way on radar. So beginning around 10 o'clock, an enhancement of the activity kind of in the northwestern part of the area. For the Madison area, we're talking about late tonight, the best chance of rain. This is 2 a.m., and this is going to be the peak of the activity. Combination of showers and storms. No severe storms, but I do think some heavy rain and lightning in spots. And thunder, which means 2 a.m., you woke it up a little bit earlier than you'd like, and the dogs could start barking. So I just want to make you aware, some thunderstorms around late tonight, but not severe storms. Notice, still looking like it could be dry in Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha. It is possible that you could stay dry throughout the day today, throughout the evening hours, and not see rain until very, very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. So we're talking about the good chance of rain for Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, about 6 a.m. And it does look like the activity is going to be weakening, so an even smaller chance of storms, more likely to just be showers, maybe a couple of storms mixed in. So for the morning commute, I do have to talk about a good chance of rain for the eastern portion of the area, but really not so much for the central and western portion of the area. I got to keep it a chance for everyone, but the best chance in the eastern portion area. Here's 9 a.m. And really the story for tomorrow is going to be isolated showers and storms during the day. So a chance of rain, but I think more of the day dry than seeing rain. Now, one thing I will mention, it does look like there's going to be more activity in the eastern part of the area than the western part of the area. So kind of the opposite of today, where I talked about the best chance being in the western part of the area. For tomorrow, the better chance of the rain is going to be east of Madison. But there's noon. We're still talking about isolated showers, maybe 1 or 2 storms. Same thing as we get into the mid-afternoon. Not a lot going on. Now, temperature's a little bit cooler tomorrow just because there's going to be more cloud cover around, more rain around, so I think more in the upper 70s versus the low 80s like today. A little bit more wind tomorrow as well, gusts around 15 miles per hour. But the cold front still hasn't gotten here yet. So the cold front itself is going to begin to push into the area around the late afternoon. So this is 6 o'clock, and this is the front coming in. And so this is going to be another opportunity at scattered showers and storms. And this is going to be working over us beginning in the late afternoon and continuing through the evening hours. So really, I think the best chance of rain on Thursday is late afternoon through the evening hours. But be aware that there's going to be isolated activity during the day on Thursday.